Welcome back, dear listeners, to another episode of The Miracle of Water. My name is Sebastian, and today we're embarking on a cosmic journey, one that takes us from the depths of Earth's oceans to the fiery heart of our solar system, the Sun. Why are we looking to the sky, you ask? Well, it turns out that to truly understand the mysteries of water here on Earth, we have to consider the radiant celestial body that lights our days and influences our planet in countless ways. Just as the moon controls the tides, the sun plays its own symphony, affecting the very water that sustains us. So what's on the cosmic playlist today? We'll delve into the basics of solar electromagnetic radiation and what it means for our blue planet. We'll explore how sunlight and water dance in a ballet of life-giving processes. And yes, we'll even dare to speculate on how the sun might influence something as intricate as DNA. If you thought water couldn't get any more enigmatic, fasten your seatbelts and adjust your telescopes, because we're about to reach for the stars. Let the solar symphony begin. All right, space explorers, before we can discuss how the sun interacts with water, we need to get our scientific bearings. So what exactly is electromagnetic radiation? Imagine light as a vast ocean, where each wave represents a different kind of electromagnetic radiation. You've got radio waves, microwaves, visible light, and even X-rays, each with its unique wavelength and energy level. The sun, our cosmic maestro, conducts an orchestra of electromagnetic waves. It emits a spectrum that ranges from infrared to ultraviolet, and this radiant energy travels through the vacuum of space, eventually reaching Earth. But not all these solar notes reach the Earth's surface unaltered. Our planet's atmosphere acts like a filter, allowing some wavelengths through while absorbing or reflecting others. It's a protective layer that makes life as we know it possible, but also shapes how solar radiation interacts with elements on Earth, including water. So, now that we've covered the basics, you might be wondering, how does this solar symphony influence the water on our planet? Get ready, because we're about to dive into the heart of this cosmic dance between water and sunlight. Up next, we'll explore how water and sunlight perform a life-sustaining ballet, from driving the water cycle to powering the very roots of our food chain. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the Miracle of Water. We've just unraveled the basics of solar electromagnetic radiation, but now let's zoom in to see how this cosmic symphony orchestrates life on Earth through its dance with water. At the most fundamental level, sunlight powers the water cycle. The evaporation of water from oceans, rivers, and lakes is driven by the sun's energy. It's a celestial baton that sets in motion the ballet of clouds, rain, and rivers. But the sun's influence goes deeper, literally. Sunlight penetrates the surface of water bodies, initiating photochemical reactions that can even break down contaminants. It's as if the sun cleanses water, purifying it in a way that sustains life. Now let's venture into speculative territory. What if the sun's frequencies interact with water in ways we haven't yet understood? And here's where it gets really intriguing. Could these frequencies be in tune with the very building blocks of life, our DNA? Some have even posited that DNA is like a crystallized frequency, a complex structure that might resonate with specific environmental conditions. Imagine for a moment that each star system has life forms with DNA tuned to the unique frequencies of light emitted by their star. It's a mind-bending idea, and while it goes beyond current scientific understanding, it's a compelling direction for future research. Up next, we'll delve into the cosmic connection between sunlight and DNA. Could the sun influence something as complex and intricate as the code of life? Stick around, because we're about to elevate this discussion to galactic proportions. Welcome back to The Miracle of Water, the podcast that dares to question the boundaries of science and imagination. We've explored the dance between water and sunlight, but now let's reach even further into the cosmic tapestry. Could the sun be influencing the very code of life, our DNA? We already know that ultraviolet rays from the sun can affect our skin cells and even cause mutations in DNA, leading to conditions like skin cancer. But what if the influence goes beyond the harmful impacts? What if the sun's electromagnetic frequencies could resonate with the DNA in living organisms? Drawing upon theories that DNA is essentially a crystallized complex frequency, some speculate that the sun's electromagnetic radiation could interact with DNA in a way that's almost harmonious. Think of it like tuning a radio to catch a specific station. The DNA in each star system might be finely tuned to the unique frequencies emitted by their respective stars. Now, it's important to note that these ideas are speculative and not yet supported by mainstream scientific research, but they do offer a compelling new lens through which to view the relationship between celestial bodies and life as we know it. Could it be that we're part of a larger cosmic symphony, where each star system produces its own unique tune, influencing the DNA of local life forms? Whether or not future research will prove these ideas right or wrong, they certainly stretch the boundaries of our understanding and offer tantalizing possibilities for interdisciplinary studies that could combine astronomy, biology, and even quantum mechanics. Up next, we'll wrap up today's cosmic journey with a recap and a glimpse into the next enigmatic topic we'll be exploring. Stay tuned and keep those minds open. Well, fellow explorers of the miracle of water, our cosmic voyage has come to an end for today. We've journeyed from the basics of solar electromagnetic radiation to the speculative yet tantalizing possibilities of a cosmic connection with DNA. We've considered well-established scientific principles, like how sunlight drives the water cycle, and ventured into uncharted waters, asking if the sun's frequencies could resonate with DNA. It's been a ride that challenges not just our understanding of water, but also our place in the cosmos. Now you might be wondering, what's next? Where can we possibly go from here? I assure you, the enigma is far from unraveled. In our next episode, we'll dive into the mysteries of water in extreme environments. Imagine the depths of deep-sea vents and even the possibilities of water beyond our Earth. Yes, we're talking about the final frontier, space. It promises to be another fascinating journey, one that takes us to the edges of our imagination and the frontiers of scientific discovery. So mark your calendars and adjust your telescopes, because the next episode will boldly go where no podcast has gone before. Until then, this is Sebastian signing off. Keep pondering, keep questioning, and may your sense of wonder be as boundless as the universe itself. Take care, everyone.